Ivan is going to do some funny prank with Lucas, and Ivan wants to involve Michelle and Brenda in this prank. And Ivan wants Brenda and Michelle to also do this funny prank with their boyfriend. And Ivan wants Lucas, Marcus and Cyrus to get ignored by their respective girlfriends. And Ivan hopes that this whole prank will be smooth, and Ivan has never ignored Lucas before. And Ivan wants to ask Brenda and Michelle about this prank first. And then Ivan meets Michelle, and Ivan wants to talk to Michelle about the prank, whether Michelle wants to do this prank with Marcus. And Ivan explains to Michelle all about the prank, that Michelle will have to ignore Marcus for some time as a prank. And then Michelle agrees to do the prank with Marcus. And Ivan and Michelle want Brenda to also join this prank, and then Ivan meets Brenda, and Ivan explains to Brenda about the prank, that Brenda has to ignore Cyrus as a prank. And Brenda agrees to the prank after listening to Ivan, but Brenda is a little confused, and Ivan has convinced Brenda and Michelle for the prank. And in the prank, Ivan, Brenda and Michelle have to completely ignore their boys. And then after some time, Lucas, Marcus and Cyrus go back to the house, and Lucas meets Ivan, but Ivan is not looking at Lucas, and Lucas is calling Ivan, and Ivan is not answering Lucas. And Ivan is busy playing with Blue, and Ivan is completely ignoring Lucas, and Lucas feels that Ivan is ignoring me, and Lucas gets angry and goes back, but Ivan is also feeling a little bad for Lucas. And then it is seen that Cyrus tries to talk to Brenda, but Brenda is busy on the phone, and Brenda is not answering Cyrus, and Brenda is also completely ignoring Cyrus. And then Brenda leaves Cyrus and goes out, and Cyrus is surprised why Brenda is ignoring me, and Cyrus gets very upset at Brenda's behavior. And while this prank was very difficult for Brenda, and Ivan also realizes that everyone gets angry when they are ignored. And then it is seen that Marcus is trying to talk to Michelle in the room, but Michelle is also ignoring Marcus, and Michelle is also not responding to Marcus' words. And then Marcus also leaves the room in anger, and then Ivan sees that Lucas, Marcus and Cyrus are getting very mad. So then Ivan tells Lucas, Marcus and Cyrus about the prank, and then Lucas also decides that he will definitely take revenge for this prank.